This was a very entertaining and fun cruise. Our tour guide, Drew, kept us laughing the whole time and was very knowledgeable. My daughter, who is 2, was with us. She also loved it. At 1.5 hours, it is the perfect length. I would totally do this again. The only thing we didn't like was trying to find parking. It's doable but was about 2 miles away. That isn't fault of Carrie B but our lack of comfort to the area. We will know next time, and I would do this again over and over. It was not overly crowded and everyone else was equally as interested. It is a spectacular host/guide. The view of the $1 million homes are spectacular. This river experience was enlightening. I recommend this tour if you visit Fort Lauderdale. 39 years ago we visited this Fort Lauderdale on our honeymoon and didn't do a water tour. I highly recommend this one. It was fantastic. The man who gave the tickets was great, friendly, and made you feel good about the trip. And the announcer was so entertaining. My family has traveled and lived in other countries, so there is little they haven't done. They totally enjoyed the trip. I'd advise everyone to go. We toured $1 million estates and enjoyed incredible views of Venice of America from a large paddle wheel boat. Our guide showed us homes belonging to famous individuals from various industries, and both the guide and crew were knowledgeable and friendly. The experience was terrific. Take the midday one and the guide was great. Such great information and plenty of yummy to see the homes. I wished there had been narration on the return for those of us who were on 1/8 of the boat. Experience and funny stuff, very interesting cruise, excellent tour, learned about the homes and individuals that live there as well as the value of certain homes. Nice and relaxing time. There is a bar on board. Had a very nice tour. Friendly staff and a well-maintained boat. You'll see beautiful large houses and the harbor of Fort Lauderdale. Definitely recommended. The narrator was very knowledgeable, and the Venice was very comfortable. We celebrated our 44th anniversary. We really enjoyed everything. Super fun. It was great, informative and entertaining. Plenty of covered seats and areas to walk around. Family friendly. Would recommend. We had a great time. Highly recommend. Easy parking and short walk to embark location. Friendly attendants and a knowledgeable narrator. Great way to be introduced to the city. Nice boat, fun tour guide and plenty of seating choices. Drinks and food if you want. The views of the mansions and yachts were impressive. The crew was excellent and friendly. The guide was very informative. Unexpected gem. Relaxing boat ride along the canals of FL, learning about the history and residents of the canals. Fun, informative boat tour of the magnificent homes along the waterway. On time departure and arrival. Recommend. Great cruise and very informative about local culture. Narrator was funny and very knowledgeable about the area. We enjoyed the boat ride and the tour guide was very good. We would definitely recommend this trip to others. Very inexpensive. The host was knowledgeable. The cruise boat was nice and clean. Food and drink were good.